Good day, everyone. Welcome back. Good to meet you again. Standard 8, Chapter 6, Cubes and Cube Roots. Okay. So, first I will explain what do you mean by the word cube. When a number is multiplied 3 times, we get cube of that number. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 is called cube of 2. 2 is called cube root of 8. In this way, we get cubes. Now we are going to exercise 6.1. Before that, on page number 75, one table is given there. Cubes of numbers are given and cube roots are given. So all you have to study, okay, and learn by heart. Now we start with question number 1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Let us check. Along with me, you will start. Prime factor method, I will start with 2. 2 ones are 2, 0, 8. 2 54s are 2 27s are. Now we will start with 3. 3 9s are 3, 3 and 1. So next step, factors are, we will write 2 into 2 into 2. Now triplet will come, okay? Square root and square we had pairing, double. So we can write 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3, or 2 into 3 whole raised to 3, or 6 raised to 3. So cube root of 216 is 6. So 216 is a perfect cube. First one is clear to everyone? आया समझ में? Okay. Second one. चलो पहले कॉपी कर लो. 128. Check the unit place. So I will start with number 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 32 and 16. 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2 and 1. So factors are, चलो बोलो, 1 2 into 2, ठीक है, और ये हो गया. First complete, second complete, but this is incomplete. So what do you say? 128 is not a perfect cube. Method is clear to everyone. Third number is 1000. Okay, there are how many sums? 5. 3 I will be doing and 2 you have to complete by yourself. So to understand the method is very important. Any sum could be done. Third one is 1000. ठीक है, स्टार्ट करेंगे हम 2 से. 2 5s are 10 0 0. 2 2s are 4 1 5 0. 1 25. Now 3 no. 5 5 25s are 5 5 5 और 1. ठीक है. From here only you will get idea. Are they forming 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. ठीक है. So we get 2 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3, 2 into 5 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3. So cube root of, I hope method समझ में आ रही है. Answer is 10. आगे समझ में? ठीक है. Now we move to question number 2. In question number 2 also the method is same. First we will read the question, understand what does it say. All are ready? So write down question number 2 first. Heading लिख लो. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. In the previous chapter we had done same. So the first number is 243. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का फर्स्ट नंबर क्या है? 243. चलो 243 I can start with 3. ओके 3 8 जा 24 और 3 1 जा 3. समझ पड़ी? 3 2 जा 6 2. 3 9 जा 3 3 3 और 1. फर्स्ट आई विल राइट द फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, समझ पड़े चल बताने. पहले ये लिख लो सारे फैक्टर साथ में. चलो नाउ A1 ग्रुप. ठीक है, चेक द सेकेंड ग्रुप. सेकेंड ग्रुप में कितने कम है? 3. वी नीड 1 more 3. yes or no? okay, so what we will do to obtain a perfect cube? 243 should be multiplied by एक और 3 चाहिए हमें. ठीक है, दैट इज कितना हो जाएगा? 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12 एंड 7 29. ठीक है, so what is the answer? what you have to find out? so what is the answer? number is 3. तो यहाँ पे ट्रिपलेट हो जाएगा. सेकेंड, नाउ वी गो टू, आई होप द मेथड इज सेम एंड इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. चलो 256 ऑलरेडी वी हैड डन. टेबल शुड बी ऑन द टिप ऑफ द टंग. तो हम बहुत फास्ट कर सकते हैं. फैक्टर्स आर 1 is complete, 2 is complete. चलो 1 triplet is complete, second is complete और third one में हमें how many we need? We need 1 more. So to obtain a perfect cube, 256 should be multiplied with 2. 256 into 2 will give you 512. Or suppose if I want to write the factors of 512, so 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. तो हो जाएगा so cube root of 512 is 8. ठीक है, सो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस आपको कंप्लीट करने. नाउ वी गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. मेथड सेम है तो कोई परेशानी नहीं होगी. मैं બધા ट्राई करवाना છે. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में नाउ क्या आ गया? डिवीजन. ओके, चलो फर्स्ट वन 81 तो हमें स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा 3 से. 3 2 जा 3 9 जा 3 3 जा 3 and 1. चलो नाउ व्हाट टू डू? फैक्टर्स लिखेंगे. 3 into 3 into 3 ये कंप्लीट है बट 1 3 इज एक्स्ट्रा. सो टू ऑब्टेन a perfect cube, 81 should be now divided आएगा. ओके, divided by 3, that is 81 divided by 3 gives you 27 and cube root of 27 is 3. clear? ठीक है, 128. should be divided by which number? बोलो, देख के बताओ. By 2, that is 64. Or cube root of 64, everyone knows that. Answer is 4. I hope the method is clear to everyone. आ गया समझ में? I am going to question number 4. Very important word problem. 3 marks question will be asked. Parikshit makes a cuboid. Cuboid has length, breadth and height. Of sides 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. How many such cuboids will be needed to form a cube? ध्यान से देखो. Read the question again. Write the details. What is given? Cuboid. Okay. Question number 4. Length, breadth and height. Number of cuboids, question mark, to form a cube. चलो, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड फॉर्मूला कौन बताओ से बने? બધાને આવડવું જોઈએ. LPH 5 2 5 हो गया. Now for cube, what do we need? 5 तो 2 है और 2 अकेला है. तो what we'll do now? 1 5 and okay, so it becomes so the answer is needs how many cubes? Cuboid 5 2 10 2 so 20 cuboids needed to form a cube. I hope I am getting very clear to you all. Now we move to 6.2. 6.2 we will see in the next video.